Hey and welcome back. Today I have an awaited recipe which is a creamy and delicious alfredo pasta, and I am also going to be decorating for Thanksgiving. This year I wanted a neutral minimalistic fall theme. My favorite addition is this pumpkin, which is under $40. So beautiful. I'm gonna keep it for Christmas as well. I also wanted to add this year candle holders. I've seen them on social media and I am obsessed with them. And these are so cute. I found them just browsing and I wanted to incorporate them and think they look adorable. Also, I found cushions that bring in the autumn. So these are super cute. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them for Christmas, but for the most part, I love them. And then the same thing for this blanket. As you can see, it has neutral, warm tones. It's so cozy, so cute, and just brings in fall and winter vibes, and it's adorable. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to be cooking our pasta. I do want to emphasize that this is a super quick recipe and I am collaborating with Red Chef. These are ceramic pots and pans and they are non-stick. And when I say they are non-stick, I mean it. I literally burned caramel on one of these pans and nothing happened. It came out like butter. Now for the new year, I actually like to start ahead. I want to be more mindful about what I cook with and just whatever I bring into my home. These pots and pans, they are healthy ceramic cookware. They are non-toxic and they are very easy to clean. I really don't have a lot of time for dishes, so the fact that I can just rinse them and put them in the dishwasher is a game changer. They are sold at Amazon. I'm going to be including the link, but they have 4.6 stars. You guys know I pay attention to the star rating, so you'll love them. And then that's it. You're going to mix everything and you are going to serve it. It's a very delicious, easy dinner that you can make at home. I hope that you guys love this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment with your thoughts. And also let me know what kinds of videos do you want to see on my channel. I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for your time and I will see you next time. Bye.